Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Good morning to all of you. Honorable teachers, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Abdullah Khalid. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to speak something on the topic of Independence Day. And I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. All you know that we have gathered here on a very special occasion for our country, which is called Independence Day. There are two major festivals in our country. First one is called Independence Day and second one is called Republic Day. On 15 August in 1947, India got freedom from British rule. Since then, 15 August is celebrated as Independence Day. This day is celebrated all over the country with great zeal. On the eve of Independence Day, we remember our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Saiful Singh Maulana Mahmud Hassan Deobandi, Bhagat Singh and many others. This day teaches us the value today. This day teaches us the value of freedom. Today we are fortunate that we are all an independent country and we have our fundamental rights. And I say I am proud to be an Indian. There I conclude my speech. Thank you.